Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to do star stitch. It's pretty simple. So here I've got 3 strands of cotton thread, but you could do it with any number of strands, or pearl cotton or yarn or whatever you've got. I like to use 2 thicknesses of fabric. Gives a little added stability. I'm stitching on linen. So we're going to do 1 stitch. I'll make this a little bit big so you can see. And then you'll come back out to the side. We're doing a 5-pointed star. Come back out to the side and you're going to go back into that same hole that the first stitch went into. And again. So it's going to have 1 point on the top, 2 points on either side, 2 points on the bottom. I'm going to make sure these line up. So that's it. Pretty simple. It serves well as a tiny little flower. I'll show you some places I've used it in my patterns. These are all available in my shop. You can see these tiny star stitches scattered throughout Love One Another. I've got them in Spread Joy in the Y, tiny little star stitches, and then in this Evergreen sampler here and here.